But please remove your caps. And please welcome Texas country recording artist Bo Phillips. We invite you to let your voices be heard and join in singing with Bo Phillips as he honors America with the singing of our national anthem.
Oh, sing, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, round us we watch, we're so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red there, the bombs bursting in air, they prove through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled